Back. So in this video, we're going to build the About page. So what I want to do is Control A to select all from the portfolio.html page, Control C to copy. We're going to right click on demo.com, click New File, Control S to save. We're going to type in about.html, hit Enter, and then we're going to Control V to paste that in, and we're going to start from the top to the bottom. So let's edit the title of the page. So let's do About. We'll go to the navigation. We'll change the class active from portfolio to about. Okay, and we're going to change this to about. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the name of this from project 1 to about dash image. We're going to change this resolution. So it's going to be 750 by 550. Save that. And then project 1, that's good. And this is going to be about our business. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to give this a class of about-p, and we're going to do a whole bunch of breaks. So we're going to grab this, we're going to copy that with Control C, we're going to return twice, give it 2 breaks, paste that in, do the same thing again. Whoop. And what we're going to do is we're just going to copy now. So I'm going to copy the 2 breaks and the paragraph tag, and we're going to copy this and paste it in for a total of 4 paragraphs. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to right click, open in the browser. There's the About page, there's that, and then About Our Business. The rest of this we can delete. So we don't need the this, we don't need that. We can keep the section there, but we need to delete all this, all the way down to footer. So I'm going to delete that. I'm going to right click, open that in the browser, and that's all I have for this page. So in the next video, we're going to build out the contact page. I'll see you there.